playing Push Button Tower 1. Okay, today we are going to go inside this hole right there. Here, yeah. There. And you just walk into there and kaboom. A dark room. And this game, you can see a black figure. But when I go up to the black figure, everything will change. Okay? Let's go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Now everything's broken. Okay, we are going to have a friend request to this guy. Let's go on this pink tower. Yeah. Bro, I never said that. Wait. What? Oh. This is just my imagination. Let's try to complete the tower. Also, I will skip the video. Well, and anyways, that's it, guys. I hope I'll see you. Ah!